Hi everyone, welcome to Get a Better Life TV. This is where we promote Yoruba culture, traditions, and religion. This video goes out to all my fellow Yorubas, home and abroad. As I always say on this channel, this era is an era of information with technology. No doubt, information is key to freedom and liberation from mental slavery. If you are yet to believe as a Yoruba that Orunmila is a prophet sent to us, it is proved from the Quran that God sent prophets to every land that speaks the language of his people in order for them to understand the messages sent. We should stop deceiving ourselves by believing that our own messenger from God, who is Orunmila, is not worthy of following as Yoruba traditional believers do. Let's listen to what Quran chapter 14 verse 4 says. And we did not send any messenger except in the language of his people to state clearly for them. And Allah sends astray whom he wills and guides whom he wills. And he is the exalted in might, the wise. So guys, as you can see, please free yourself from any foreign religious bondage. Seek for knowledge by yourself and for yourself, and stop listening to deceivers who like to put you in religious bondage in order to control your life and later take advantage of you. Can you imagine how you are told to learn another language before you can understand the messages of God? It is even a common saying in Yoruba land that you can't understand what Quran says with the translations. So, how else do you want my fellow Yorubas to understand the messages of God? Now that it is clearly written in the Quran that God sent messengers to every land who speaks the language of his people, I hope all Yorubas should realize that Orunmila is a prophet sent to us. Thanks for watching.